Your backdrops come on a basic cardboard tube for shipping, and it can be used to hang your backdrop. But in this video, we want to give you instructions on how to mount your backdrop to a new core. Two-inch PVC pipe is dimensionally similar to standard backdrop paper cores, and they will work with most backdrop support systems and poles. Cut it to size, leaving about 2 inches on each side. If using a smaller core, like 3/4 inch galvanized pipe, it'll not be compatible with most background support systems, and you may have to leave a few inches exposed on each end for mounting. Now, unroll your backdrop on a clean floor, and with your new core inserted, put a piece of paper tape or painter's tape every foot or so. You can just roll it on a clean floor. For larger backdrops, you can give it 2 rolls on the floor and then with a background bar running through it, mount it to 2 light stands and continue to roll it up from there. Some find this easier to get a tighter roll, and especially your larger backdrops. For storage, you can secure it with more paper tape. Forward and backward are 2 mounting options. Backward is standard and protects the paint side the best, but forward allows you to make better corners and have a seamless top edge. Unlike paper backdrops, your gravity backdrops will last your entire career, so remounting them to a new core will help them last just that much longer. Check out our other videos for more gravity backdrop tips. See you next time.